Are you looking for the best cotton candy makers? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best cotton candy makers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall. This heavy-duty machine is the same kind you'll find being used at carnivals and amusement parks, but it couldn't be easier to use. Turn it on, pour in some sugar, and you'll have magical threads of colorful candy floss in just seconds. With more than 1000 watts of power, the Vivo can satisfy a whole birthday party of screaming kids in short order. It'll make 2 to 3 servings of cotton candy per minute. A really cool thing about this machine is that it also works with hard candies instead of just granulated sugar. You can use favorites like Jolly Ranchers and Nerds to create custom flavors and colors. Try peppermints to make a cloud topper for a mug of hot chocolate or a roll of Lifesavers to make a rainbow of cotton candy. However, it does not come with the bubble-shaped safety shield other models include as standard. If you want one, you have to buy the shield separately, and, like the machine itself, it's not cheap. Dimensions: 21x 21x 14 inches. Weight: 23.1 pounds. Power: 1030 watts. Capacity: 2 to 3 servings per minute. Extras: sugar scoop, spare parts kit. Number 2. Best compact. This machine includes 2 reusable plastic cones, so you don't have to keep buying and throwing away, recycling, the paper ones. If you upgrade to the complete startup package, you get the machine with extra cones and some sugar, too. The Nostalgia machine has some nice safety features for home use, as well. The clear rim lets you watch the cotton candy form without hot sugar flying all over the house, and its suction cup feet keep it stable on the table or countertop. Like most cotton candy machines, this one disassembles easily for thorough cleaning, though nothing can go in the dishwasher. This one is slower when it comes to heating up. The instructions call for 10 minutes of preheating before you add sugar, or 5 minutes if using candies. Dimensions: 11x 11x 12 inches. Weight: 5.3 pounds. Power: 450 watts. Capacity: 1 pint, 16 servings. Extras: sugar scoop, 2 plastic cones. Number 3. Best with a cart. There's no need to find table space with this cart, which you can roll from room to backyard to sidewalk. Anywhere you can access an extension cord and electrical outlet. It works super fast, too, preheating in just 6 minutes and making a cone of cotton candy every 30 seconds. The kettle is stainless steel, so it won't rust, stain, or retain odors, and it's easy to keep clean since it's removable. There's also a safety switch that keeps the machine from turning on without the kettle securely in place with all 4 clips that hold it down. Its belt-driven motor is quieter than other models, the front-mounted controls are easy to use, and the cart includes a storage drawer to hold all the sugar, cones, and other items you'll need. This is a heavy-duty machine, weighing in at 46 pounds. It comes disassembled, and you'll probably have to read the directions carefully to put the cart together, but you also need to do so only once. After that, you'll be able to wheel your confection machine anywhere it needs to go. Dimensions: 38x 20.5x 35 inches. Weight: 46 pounds. Power: 950 watts. Capacity: 2 servings per minute. Extras: sugar scoop, 2 spare ribbon belts. Number 4. Best Splurge. This package gives you everything you need, with a huge, powerful machine that can make 2 cones per minute, a cart for portability and storage, and the plastic bubble shield that most high-end units lack. The shield makes it easier to collect the candy floss on a cone without letting strands of sugar blow away, while also keeping dirt and bugs out of the machine when you use it outside. Of course, for all those extras, you're going to pay a pretty penny. The 950-watt heating element and belt-driven motor are among the most powerful and effective options available, and the cart includes both a convenient storage drawer and a holder for 3 finished cotton candy cones. The huge bowl is attached securely with clamps, but also comes off easily for cleaning. Dimensions, 21x 36x 37 inches. Weight, 36 pounds. Power, 950 watts. Capacity, 2 servings per minute. Extras, bubble shield, sugar scoop, 2 spare ribbon belts.